everybody, super short video today covering the recall on the 2022 Shelby GT500 as well as the 2023 Raptor R. This recall does not affect the 20, which I have, or 21 GT500s. It's only the 2022. These engines have been plagued with oil leaks. I've seen multiple posts across the GT500 forum of people reporting puffs of smoke coming up through their hood vents. Popping the hood, they're seeing oil drips onto the headers, onto the exhaust area, and lots of smoke coming up from the engine bay. Same thing with the Raptor R. I've seen this firsthand at the track. There was a 2022 beautiful eruption green carbon fiber track pack at Ozarks International Raceway this past spring at Shelby Fest. It had bad oil leak, lots of smoke coming up through the hood vent. We're going to take a look at the recall and the process to get these vehicles fixed. Starting with the letter itself, this is called Customer Satisfaction Program 23 Bravo 17, dated 20 September of 2023. Important takeaway here are the build dates: late GT500s for 2022 and early Raptor Rs for 2023. You should get notified if your vehicle is affected, but you can always go to your dealer and have them check OASIS. This is the list of time required to do the repairs as well as the parts list. Well, that's it. If you have a 2022 GT500 or a 2023 Raptor R, get it into your dealer, get it fixed under warranty. Thanks for watching. See you next time.